Hello from the National Weather Service in Missoula. This is your planning briefing for Sunday, April 14th. Some key points: warm, relatively dry today being Sunday, but some isolated late day showers and storms with gusty winds. Breezy conditions on Monday with the cold front passage. Later Tuesday through early Thursday, a change to much cooler, some light to moderate snow on the passes, potentially light snow even down to the valleys, especially on Wednesday morning, and then warmer and drier by next weekend. So looking at the threat matrix, you can see some of those things highlighted. Moderate impact possible with the snow for northwest Montana on the passes later Tuesday into Wednesday, and then that focus for the divide also as far as snow impacts potentially for Wednesday morning in southwest Montana. Just wanted to look at the probability for showers today, and once again, we'd mentioned some gusty winds. You can see a real focus over north central Idaho late afternoon into the evening hours, and potentially even into the Mission Valley once we get into the later evening hours. Watch for gusty winds around the lake, perhaps, if you're out boating, and then just a strong storm or two possible, mostly just for north central Idaho, and once again, just real late afternoon into the evening hours. So I wanted to talk about the gusty winds on Monday. Probability of wind gusts over 30 miles per hour. Fairly low for most valleys. You get into northwest Montana, anywhere from 10 to 30% for some of those valleys. And then in far southwest Montana, those higher valleys, pretty good chances. Otherwise, mostly terrain focus for those higher probabilities of gusts over 30 miles per hour, but certainly breezy on Monday. Choppy conditions for area lakes once again. Now looking at the snow forecast for Tuesday through late Wednesday, generally, snow for the passes, especially Tuesday evening through Wednesday morning. Some lingering all the way through early Thursday. Occasional slick roads during the overnight and early morning periods for the passes. Heaviest snow looks to be around the glacier region. Around 5 inches right now is what we're forecasting for Marias. And then you can see generally less than an inch of snow for most of the valleys. Road impact should be pretty limited due to those warm overall ground temperatures right now. But perhaps right along the divide, those higher valleys along the divide could even see some brief road impacts, especially Wednesday morning. But overall, just a light snow for the valleys, moderate snow right along the divide for those passes. If you want to look at the higher end amounts on the left-hand side there, generally still looking at just an inch or less for the most of the valleys. If you're looking up like around Marias Pass, more like 8 to 12 inches for the higher end amount. Around Butte, around 2 inches for the higher end amount. And then the low end amount on the right-hand side is fairly light, as you can see. Just wanted to take a check at temperatures and talk about the cooling. So today's high temperatures well into the 70s for a lot of the valleys. By the time we get to Wednesday, only in the 40s, so a good 20 to 25 degree temperature drop between now and Wednesday for the high temperatures, and then warming up again next weekend. NRH's driest day today, but you do see once we get to Thursday, Friday, Saturday, definitely some drier periods once again. We talked about the precipitation. We have the shower chances this afternoon and evening, and then mostly focused Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday morning, and then some lingering chances for the passes into Thursday morning. So as we look further ahead, starting next weekend into early the following week, definitely a trend toward above normal temperatures. And it looks like near normal precipitation. Thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, please contact us via phone or send us an email. You have a good day.